Hey guys, it's Ben at TV Parts Today. Behind me on the table, we have a VIZIO D39HN-E0. We're going to be showing you how to pull the boards out of this unit today. If you need any help, if you have any questions, you can give us a call at 1-800-203-7484. And with Black Friday looming on the horizon, maybe it's time to just breathe some life into that old unit you've got laying around. And let's get right into it. We have the back of the unit here. There are going to be screws that line all the way around the outside here. And we are going to need to get those removed before we can actually get the back plate off. The thing to keep note, there is going to be some wiring right here in this bottom right-hand corner that's going to be connected to the power button. We're going to want to make sure that we're not pulling that out of the actual unit when we lift the back away from it. So let's get these screws out and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I believe that is it for screws. So we'll very gently and carefully try to get the back plate off of here. If it gives us any resistance, we'll want to stop and see what's going on. It does appear to be actually clipped as well as screwed in. So we're going to want to try to find a good place to get this free. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a screwdriver. I'm just going to try to find a good place here on the back that I can actually kind of pry up, maybe get it to just pop loose. And I am trying to be gentle here so we don't damage anything on the inside of there. And you can hear it popping and letting free. Most likely there's going to be clips along the top as well. All right, so we're gonna get a better shot of this clip down here in the corner. So this is the board that we were talking about with the two plugs in it. I believe this is the IR sensor. This does just lift away. The screw that's right here is actually keeping it in place when the back is on. So we can just gently pull this out a little bit. We're gonna get this little plug out first, this guy right here. This should just lift away out of there. The other plug is actually gonna have a clasp that's keeping it in place. We'll just wanna pinch that and then pull that free. So now that we have that out and away, do try to keep track of these small boards like this. They are going to need to go back in if you want to retain functionality to the TV. And let's just go ahead and start getting the boards out of this unit. So there is just one board in the back of this television. It looks like it's going to be combination main board power supply T-Con board. There are just a few clips. Two right here, one right here, and a ribbon cable that is with the clips and things like that we need to get removed before we actually unscrew the board. So let's get those going. These actually don't have any sort of like levers to detach or to depress so that it'll come away from the plugs. So you just want to be gentle with it, firm enough to get the plug out, but gentle enough to where you're not damaging any of the components while you're doing it. So with the same style with this one and this one right here, we're going to do that as well. Just want to work it away from the board. And then it comes loose. Now there is a little bit of tape over here on this left side. If it's going to help you have a little bit more maneuverability with the cords, you can take that tape off. It'll be fine. So we'll just go on to this next clip. I feel it coming free. And then this ribbon cable connection should just be a matter of getting our fingernail up underneath the flap, popping it up, and this ribbon cable should slide right out. Now we want to move on to the screws to get it away from the body of the TV. And that should be it for the main board. These housing pieces will come off. This one right here is still going to be connected with a screw right here if you need to get this loose. And that is the only board in this unit. Okay, pretty simple removal there. Don't forget, if you have any questions, you can leave them down below in the comments section. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you do subscribe to the channel, you will qualify for 20% off your first order through TV Parts Today. And we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget,
You can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.